Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got another episode of Simple and Effective Tech. We got the Baseus Nomos. Now this is a Qi2 5-in-1 desktop charger with retractable cable. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one is $100. All right, so let's see what it is. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. West Side Story. Here we go. Now shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. Rah. Okay. So this is going to be, like I said, a Qi2 5-in-1 desktop charger with retractable cable. Now you can charge 5 devices at the same time. Since it's Qi2, that means 15 watt fast wireless charge. Okay, so Qi2 is 15 watts. Now you got a retractable USB Type-C cable. You got intelligent power allocation with digital display. Let's see anything else. Now you got 3 USB Type-Cs, 1 USB-A. You got a vertical and horizontal adjustment stand. You're getting real-time display of your charging status. And the cable is 2.6 feet. Okay, so let's see. How do we open this up? Just like this. Okay, so this is going to be your quick start guide. Plug it and file it. It comes with a nice thick cable. Okay. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, late but still great, White Shoes is back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White shoes.
My white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, let's take a look at this thick cable. Okay, nice and long, giggity. And this is going to be the Nomos. Okay, that's it for that. Okay, now this is actually smaller than it looks online. The total max power on this is 140 watts. Okay, so let's see. Now you're going to get to this. This is going to be your Qi2 wireless charging stand, which is adjustable, 15 watts. Now this is going to be your retractable cable, 2.6 feet. Let's see how long it goes. Okay, nice and long. I know. And this one is actually 100 watts. And you see, when you retract it, it magnetizes back in place. So 100 watts for this USB Type-C, another 100 watt USB Type-C, and 140 watts for the third USB Type-C. Now you got a USB-A, which is going to give you 15 watts. On the back, this is where you plug it in at. You got some rubber stoppers on the bottom. That's going to keep it in place. And this is going to be your digital display. Nice and compact, travel size. Throw this right in your bag. All right, so let me plug this in and we'll charge up some stuff. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so here's how it looks plugged in. There's your digital display. And there's a little button right here. If you press that, you can see the power delivery for each output. Press it again to go back. Now, you can charge up one phone flat just like that. There's your charge. Or you can extend this. And now we can get some horizontal charging with your desktop clock. Or we can rotate this and charge it regular. Now, if you notice, you see the display? Okay. Now let's hit the button. And it's showing your power output. All right, so now let's try something else. Let's see if we can charge multiple devices at once. All right, so let's try to charge 5 phones at the same time. Now, as you can see, we're using the wireless charger. We're at 14 watts. Okay, now let's plug in an iPhone. Get a little charge on this one. Okay, that's charging up. Let's grab a Galaxy. Okay, that's charging up. Let's grab the retractable cable. We'll do the Asus. Okay, that's charging up. And for the last one, we'll grab a Galaxy Z Fold. Plug that in. And that's charging up as well. So we got 5 devices at the same time. And let's take it to the output. Now y'all see that? It shows your power delivery for each one. That is pretty sick. This is the textbook definition of simple and effective tech. Now let's try a few more products. All right, so this time, let's start off with a Galaxy phone on the Qi2 wireless charging pad. That's charging up. And if you notice, it's going to start off low, but increase all the way up to 15 watts max. Okay, so we'll leave that right there. Next, let's grab the retractable cable. We'll do a big boy Galaxy tablet. Okay, that's charging up. Leave that right there. You see the intelligent power allocation? Next, let's grab some headphones. So we'll plug these in. There's the red light. Headphones charging up. Next, let's grab an Asus ROG Ally. Plug this in. Okay, that's charging up. And let's see, we got one more. Let's do an MP3 player. Plug this in. There it is. That's charging up. So now we got 5 devices charging at once. And if we take it to the power delivery, we can see all of the individual numbers. 5 devices at the same time. Now, okay, I just moved the phone. Give it a second and let the power allocate to everything. And there it is. So you're going to see everything is charging up. Let's do one more test. All right, so for this time, let's start off with the MacBook Pro 16-inch, the big boy. We're going to use 140 watts. Okay, that's plugged in. You see the numbers going up. Okay, next, we'll do an iPhone. Okay, give it a second. There it is. Next, for 100 watts, let's do a big iPad. Okay, 12.9 inches. It's the big one. Use the retractable cable. As you can see, it's charging up. Next, let's do Beats Pill, portable speaker. Plug this in. Okay, that's charging up. And let's do some earbuds. Plug these in. These are charging up as well. So now let's take it to the display. Hit the button. And as you can see, everything is charging up. $100. This is a total win. Let's kind of wrap this video up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Baseus Nomos a major go. Charge 5 devices at the same time, 140 watts power. You got Qi2 wireless charging. Look how small this cleans up. I got the rest of my cables. Now me, I'm going to travel with this. Look how much space this is going to take up in my bag. And then when I unpack, I got my wireless charger. You got the LED display, retractable cable. And again, charge 5 devices at the same time. The textbook definition of simple and effective tech. Anyway, this is the Baseus Nomos. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. And remember, holiday season is right around the corner. If you're trying to buy a gift for that tech lover in your life who has all of these tech products, you cannot go wrong with this. All of those tech products, he's going to have to charge them up. This is going to come in handy. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. one to beam up. Energize.
Hey guys, Jerry Springer here. Subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.